guys, today I'm gonna be trying see which one of these are better. So let's go. First of all, we'll start with this one. This is based off of Whistling Diesel. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, let's go first one. Now I'm gonna choose the first one. Okay, let's see which one of them performs better. Oh wow. Okay, wow. Oh my god. This is doing way too good. Way too good. Oh wow. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the other part and now for this truck, I hope the vegan people don't care. I don't want to be cancelled. So yeah. Now we have this one up. Let's see how this one works. And guys, tell me which one's taller, this one or the other one, because I don't know. Okay, let's get started. We're at the same place with both, so let's get started. Let's get, yeah, this is way bigger, but gets dirty way faster. Why are they the same? I don't know. You those vegan people, I don't care about you. Oh wow. Oh wow. Dirty as hell. Oh wow. Oh, then we're gonna do a climbing test in the next video. So stay tuned. But until then, look at these. So yeah, my little brother is doing a YouTube video now. Don't know why. So yeah. Guys, your boy got a little bit stuck over here. Yeah. So these are both of them. Oh, the lights. Oh yeah, I like the second one more. I'm gonna go watch them now. With my ugly brother. Should I go swimming with these cars? I think so. Beautiful. So guys, yeah, in the next video, I'm gonna do cutting grass, like in 8 p.m. So, yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.